Hi everyone, today we're going to be taking a look at this graphic organizer that I kind of made it look like a tree that mainly focuses on rhyming. It also goes over some essentials of a story that include characters, setting, and plot. So the story I chose to read today is Toad Makes a Road, and this includes phonics in it as well. Toad hops happily. She has a new house on the hill. My new house is best, she boasts. Toad waits and waits for the truck to bring her things. Time ticks on. She's out of luck. Where is that truck? Is the truck stuck? Toad hops down the hill. She's in luck. There's the truck. I can't get up the hill. The load will spill. There's no track for the truck, so Toad brings her things up the hill. Toad is tired. With one last hop, she flops into bed. Next day, Toad eats toast. Today is my party, but only Billy the Goat gets up the hill. It's far too steep, except for me or a sheep. What you need is a road, Toad. If I need a road, then I'll make a road, says Toad. But toads can't make roads, says Billy. That's silly. Wait and see, says Toad. Toad clears a track. She lays black, sticky tar. Then she rolls it flat. Toad's road is ready. And then you can see she built it all the way up to her house. And she put a little sign in there too. Now Toad's in luck. Here comes the truck. So as you can see at the end, all the friends can come up because Toad has built the road. So back to our little tree here. So when talking about characters, those are the main people in the story. So I've listed one character, which is Toad, obviously, but can we think about someone else? And that would be Billy Goat, that talked to Toad while trying to get up to his house. And then I tie in some rhyming words in there. So what does Toad make? And a little hint, it is in the title of the story. So Toad makes a road, and we can see that that ode, that sound at the end is the same ending sounds in both words. So the next element we're going to talk about is setting. His house is obviously a setting, but something that all the characters wanted to go up was that hill, which is why he wanted to make the road. So he spills on the hill. So again, those words rhyme. So that ill ending sound is something that we see in both words. And then asking the question, what does the toad spill? We're talking about that sticky tar, and that's recognition of what has happened throughout the story. And that kind of ties in with the plot, the next little arrow over here. How does Toad build that road? So Toad clears a track, and he lays black, sticky tar. So black and track, that ack sound, that's again the ending sound that's rhyming in both words. So you can see in a sentence, and you can see without the whole book, that we see these rhyming words that end that have to do with phonics, and that's how it ties in with this lesson. So thank you.